A labor union or trade union is a continuous association of wage earners for the purpose of maintaining, safeguarding, and improving the wages and employment conditions of its members, cutting across every sector of the economy, and they are saddled with the responsibility of fighting for the interest of every worker. And for this reason, they are not so popular with employers. In Nigeria, there are two major branches: the Nigerian Labour Congress, the NLC, and the Trade Union Congress, the TUC. The Nigerian Labour Congress or NLC is for all workers, both in the junior and the senior cadre, while the Trade Union Congress, TUC, is for senior cadre only. In 1912, the British colonial government formed the first trade union called the Southern Nigerian Civil Service Union for the predominantly white public servants and a few privileged blacks. Later in 1931, the first indigenous labor union was formed, which was the Nigerian Union of Teachers, NUT. And then in 1938, the Railway Workers Union, following the 1938 ordinance, instituting them into law. However, the colonial government soon found out that they may have made a mistake as the workers grew more and more powerful. And so to block their powers, the government did something ingenious at the time. They proliferated and weakened the trade unions. They made a law such that with just 5 signatories, a new trade union can be formed, whether similar ones existed before or not. And before long, thousands of trade unions arose with constant power tussles and conflict within themselves, making them unable to put up a unified front, hence losing their collective bargaining power. This is pretty long and boring stuff. So fast forward to this day, we have about 29 major labor unions in Nigeria, with other affiliates and trade associations that are not under the main umbrella of the NLC or the TUC. So what happened? Well, subsequent governments came with reforms that downsized, scrapped, and merged similar unions. Certain ones were completely taken down, such as the arms-bearing workers like the police and customs, and also essential services workers like the electricity and healthcare workers. It affords them collective bargaining power, protects their rights, improved wages and benefits, offers job security, skills development and training, political advocacy, social activities, and unity and solidarity.